Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how to download a video, photo or other file from private groups in Telegram for PC. Whether you are using Windows, Linux or macOS, this guide will help you save videos directly to your computer. Let's get started. We definitely need to use a browser. I have Google Chrome, go to the web version, all links will be in the description and comments, telegramweb.telegram.org and log in to your account. Find the private group where the file we need to download is located. As you can see, at the moment I do not have a download button. We will fix this now. To do this, go to the Chrome Web Store and find an add-on called TemperMonkey and install it. Open this add-on and click on the Find New Scripts button, write Telegram Media and click on the Install button. After that, be sure to check that you have enabled developer mode. To do this, go to the Chrome settings and look for the Extensions button. In the new window at the top right, you need to move the slider to the right. At this point, we restart the browser and go back to the group. Scroll through the chat to find the video you want to download and open it. As you may have noticed, a download button icon appears in the upper right corner. Click on it and choose where you want to save the file, and the video will start downloading. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded a private group video on Telegram for PC. Now you can watch it anytime, even offline. Like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.